1. Which is the only planet that rotates clockwise? A. Venus. B. Mars. C. Uranus. D. Neptune. Answer. A. Venus. 2. What is the capital of Italy? A. Milan. B. Rome. C. Venice. D. Florence. Answer. B. Rome. 3. What is the deepest point in the world's oceans? A. Mariana Trench. B. Tonga Trench. C. Java Trench. D. Puerto Rico Trench. Answer. A. Mariana Trench. 4. What is the study of stars and planets called? A. Geology. B. Astronomy. C. Meteorology. D. Astrology. Answer. B. Astronomy. 5. Which river is known as the lifeline of Egypt? A. Nile. B. Amazon. C. Yangtze. D. Euphrates. Answer. A. Nile. 6. Which Indian scientist is known for their work on the Raman effect? A. C.V. Raman. B. Homi Bhabha. C. Jagadish Chandra Bose. D. Vikram Sarabhai. Answer. A. C.V. Raman. 7. What is the term for animals that eat both plants and meat? A. Herbivores. B. Carnivores. C. Omnivores. D. Detritivores. Answer. C. Omnivores. 8. Which Indian sportsperson is associated with shooting? A. Abhinav Bindra. B. P.V. Sindhu. C. Mary Kom. D. Sushil Kumar. Answer. A. Abhinav Bindra. 9. Which is the southernmost point of mainland India? A. Kanyakumari. B. Rameshwaram. C. Kovalam. D. Kochi. Answer. A. Kanyakumari. 10. Which country gifted the Statue of Liberty to the United States? A. Germany. B. France. C. Canada. D. Italy. Answer. B. France. 11. Who is the author of the Harry Potter series? A. J.K. Rowling. B. Suzanne Collins. C. George R.R. Martin. D. J.R.R. Tolkien. Answer. A. J.K. Rowling. 12. Which Indian state is known for the Gir National Park? A. Gujarat. B. Rajasthan. C. Madhya Pradesh. D. Uttar Pradesh. Answer. A. Gujarat. 13. Which is the first man-made satellite to orbit Earth? A. Voyager 1. B. Sputnik 1. C. Explorer 1. D. Chandrayaan 1. Answer. B. Sputnik 1. 14. In which country the rare bird scarlet tanager was recently spotted? A. United Kingdom. B. France. C. India. D. Russia. Answer. A. United Kingdom. 15. Which disease is caused by the deficiency of vitamin D? A. Scurvy. B. Rickets. C. Beriberi. D. Night blindness. Answer. B. Rickets. 16. Who painted the famous artwork, Mona Lisa? A. Michelangelo. B. Leonardo da Vinci. C. Vincent van Gogh. D. Pablo Picasso. Answer. B. Leonardo da Vinci. 13. What is the process of converting water vapor into liquid called? A. Evaporation. B. Condensation. C. Precipitation. D. Sublimation. Answer. B. Condensation. 18. Which is the smallest bird in the world? A. Sparrow. B. Robin. C. B. Hummingbird. D. Finch. Answer. C. B. Hummingbird. 19. Which planet is known for having rings around it? A. Jupiter. B. Saturn. C. Neptune. D. Uranus. Answer. B. Saturn. 20. What is the speed of light in a vacuum? A. 3 times 10 to the power of 7 meter per second. B. 3 times 10 to the power of 8 meter per second. C. 3 times 10 to the power of 9 meter per second. D. 3 times 10 meter per second. Answer. B. 3 times 10 to the power of 8 meter per second. 21. What is the hardest part of the human body? A. Bones. B. Teeth. C. Skull. D. Fingernails. Answer. B. Teeth. 22. Which Indian state is known for the Valley of Flowers National Park? A. Himachal Pradesh. B. Uttarakhand. C. Jammu and Kashmir. D. Arunachal Pradesh. Answer. B. Uttarakhand. 23. Which part of the human brain controls balance? A. Cerebrum. B. Cerebellum. C. Medulla oblongata. D. Hypothalamus. Answer. B. Cerebellum. 24. Which Indian state is the largest by area? A. Maharashtra. B. Rajasthan. C. Madhya Pradesh. D. Uttar Pradesh. Answer. B. Rajasthan. 25. What is the term for animals that live both in water and on land? A. Reptiles. B. Amphibians. C. Mammals. D. Birds. Answer. B. Amphibians.